everybody. This has been a heck of a week, right? So at least we made it through, and we're just gonna hang in there and keep at this as long as we need to. So to keep our sanity, today we are going to try just a very soothing routine. We're going for soothing, comfort, relaxation, because who doesn't need more of that right about now? So we're going to start off with the hoop going in our dominant direction. And for the whole first song, we are just going to work with dipping, right? Dipping our hands into that open space of the hoop, knowing that space is in front of us, beside us, behind us. You might try closing our eyes to work with this. Very relaxing. Second song, we're going to drop the hoop down to our hips and go up and down between our hips and waist for the duration of the song. Third song, we're going to do some catch and reverse, twisting into the direction that the hoop is going, stopping its momentum, sending it in the other direction. This move is very meditative. It is really a great massage for our waist and lower back area. We're going to finish up our catch and reverse with the hoop going in our non-dominant direction. Then we're going to go for our, fourth song. We're going to drop the hoop down to our hips, go up and down, hips to waist. For the whole song, this is balancing out the whole first half of our moves. And so for our fifth and final song, we are going to do the dipping in our non-dominant direction. Relaxing, comforting, just what we need. All right. Good for all of us for keeping our bodies moving, for trying to keep our minds and our bodies healthy through all of this. Tomorrow is another day. We will see how this goes. Hang in there. Keep taking good care of yourself. Miss you guys.